Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to find trending reel sounds on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And after opening your Instagram app, on the bottom, just click this reel icon right here on the bottom. So just click it. And after that, if you look on the bottom left corner of the screen, if your Instagram is on the latest version or if you already have this feature, you will see a trend index in this part right here beside the audio of the song that was used on the video. So if the audio is trending, you will see this icon right here, but if the audio is declining, then you will see this icon right here. So the second way that we can do to see if the audio is trending or not is to click on the audio right here, which is located right here, and after clicking in this part right here, you should see also the icon wherein you can see if the audio is trending. So you will see this icon if it is inclining, but you will see this icon if it is declining. So you could also do that with other audio right here on Instagram. So just look on this audios right here. So in that way you will see if the audio is trending or not. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.